Bishop ni rafiki yangu sana kwa miaka mingi sana. Toko ndari ya kwira kire kende yuge mbere yaku na mbere ya kanitha akoragwo murata wakwa. Na njoke njuge twagire ndugu nene muno na Bishop hindi iria ndajirie kurugama ria mbere. Then I was a young girl. No aturaga njitaga young girl. Then I was a young girl. And I remember that time I did not know so much about politics. So riria kaire tukanini kaingirire siasa siasa waba kufatithio na iundu waba kurido maundu magukumakia muno. So one of the days I was told very heavy things na hedio Bishop ni athiaga radio ine muno. So one day when I was seated in the house ngeigua ndeteire muno kuria mitambo ine na akiuga hedio ndakoretwo jambetio na njira nene muno atumia meguku aria marathimitwo na thuri mwathani agocwo na aria matarathimĩtwo na thuri taarĩ si mwathani agocwo. So by then ona riu diari na people ni kuonania utari na people githie siasa ine gukorwo na thina muno ni kuonania ni wetago tumaritwa tuingi muno. But the first person who really supported me na nikyo kwiragwo hindi ria ona toy mundu ago support na njira nene muno, you never forget in your life. So when I was that down, Bishop ni athire radio ine akiuga arerirwo ni single mother and he is what he is today. Na ningeigua ndekirika ni moyo muno na ngemenya gutire kindu njagite na ngiyumireria na ngithi na mbere, and the rest is history. Na njiraga andu aria meguku ona mwatona ithuĩ single mothers o torio na ekiroko ukirire wahoya Ngai akurathime na ngari no ngiarathimo na nyumba njega no ngiarathimo ciana cieke wega na ithuĩ tutari athuri tuhoyaga Ngai aturathime tukona athuri tugetanio nao. And we are good people, we are not bad people, we are actually very good people. Hindi ria waziri witu aranjirie muthenya wa ira Bishop ni aguthoma guku, and it is true last week I reached out to Bishop to ni murata wakwa once in a while ndimuhuragira thimo na nima ni hindi ndaririkana igogwo kwari utuko na Madam Bishop, I'm very sorry working not maundu moru twakiragia na Bishop. I was catching up na kumuria here na ati actually I did not know that I was going to be here muthenya wa muthi no hindi ria waziri aranjirire ati arathoma guku na ndiraigo nani umuthi gutire kundu ndirathiaga ndiramuna nituguthoma nake, and I am happy to be here today. Na nindakena muno ni undu wa message ya Bishop wakwa ati ni mwaka wa kuohanira na ni mwaka wa thayu. And I want to say ni kuri andu makoragwo me politician and at times we talk very much na ndenda kuga mbere ya kigongona when the revival of this nation is coming back this year, nie ndigũtigwo nja. I will not be left behind. Na nie tikwe yugithia Bishop de mathabahu ne every day at 3 AM nie ngoragwo ndioni ngithaitha kwi Ngai o kuria kundwara tondu maundu macio mangi mothe ni magathira no ritwa ria Ngai ritigathira na no tuthi kuria guothe turethiaga. But me, I want to say I am a woman who fears God and I love God with all my heart. Ici ingi ciothe cikocie siasa no koragwo wi wira o toria we wi carpenter na wi welder urutaga wira waku no nie ndierumagira mundu nie njaragia maundu me makwa. So I am happy to be here and ndakena tukiria horo wa thayo na Bishop. I want to tell you ona maundu manyitana. Let me say that because me I like saying ona guthie tukoro andu atwa tebeire nao including yourself na thirikari eno ne tukinyete handu ngoro yaku ikaiga edakaru. We want to say and we are going to rectify and we are going to walk with the ways of God na kuringana na aria matuthurire gikeno kiria mangiendire tuko tugithi nakio. Okorwo ni maundu ma SHA tutaangalia sisi kama wajumbe wa Kristo wakisema ni mbaya tunaangalia ni wapi pabaya tunarekebisha tondu andu acio nio matuthurire. Okorwo ni higher education area ya ciana cito cia university tutanamba kuma implement tugacoka tugathi tukaiga we are looking into it. Ndenda kuganugamite haha SHA ni turari na Ivasha, we discussed about it na kuria guothe kurari na teething problem. I want to promise you all the teething problem ni tura iron them out so that it can benefit you. I also want to say wewe na mwanawe university ambao wako clustered, nataka kumwambia sisi kama wajumbe na tumeambia rais vile tuliangalia SHA na vile tunaendelea kuangalia SHA hata maneno ya higher education tunaenda kuangalia, na kule ambao hakufanyi kazi we rectify so that our people can be happy. Nigetha mwetire thirikari ile mwasagurire. Na nikiendelea ndio nitasema Bishop, as I stand here tutaangalia hiyo maneno yote. Anything that will be coming up, we are going to be a listening government, and I want to be say as one of them I'll be listening. Na wewe ambaye umekuja priesthood siku ya leo hapa kwa bishop wetu ambao tunapenda JJ, na roho yako iwe ilikuwa inasikia uchungu mwingi sana, na unasikia uchungu mwingi sana na serikali, on behalf of this government nataka kusema mtusamehe, tutasonga mbele pamoja, atumuachi nyuma. Especially priesthood, nyinyi mlikuwa wa kwanza kutafuta hii serikali, tutiramutiga, we have to move together. Na inyu andu a priesthood gutire gote mwana na kirae na mae, hapana, mtoto abaki, tumwage maji na tuendelee mbele, because it is a time to forgive one another. Atereria wanyonirie kuhoya, ni ndakenire ndamenya kurehe mabataro makwa kwi Ngai, ti thore kwi Ngai we iguaga. Na Biblia gacoka ikaiga o Efeso ate ndukana tukithie ngoro yaku ihurite marakara. It is a high time to forgive and to move forward, because it is you wewe na people mwamenana no anga ukimugataga ukinyaga hwaine mukohanira, wewe na mwana mwamenana ukinyaga hwaine mukohanira. Ona ewe mwene thirikari kurikinya hwaine tumiohere na tuthonge hamwe turi othe, tondu we niwe wamiethire na ni thirikari yaku na ni wamihoeire. Kindu giothe giaciarirwo na mahoya, I tell you, whether it is marriage, whether it is children, whether it is business, anything that is birth of prayers must be sustained by prayers. Nikuonani, nataka kumshukuru sana nikiwa nasimama hapa siku ya leo kusema ya kwamba sio kusema ati sisi wanasiasa ama viongozi wanga hatukosei. Pale tumekosea tuwasema pole, na pia nyinyi ambao mlituchagua ndio tuweze kusonga mbele pamoja. Na nataka kusema nikiwa nataka kuketi chini siku ya leo, maneno ya SHA tunaangalia, maneno ya higher education tunaangalia, hata maneno ile ingine yote ambayo itakuwa ndani ya serikali tutaangalia. Ngai ya mwete na mwakoyo, it is the year of breakthrough, the year of increase. Ngai ya twende turi othe tusonge pamoja. God bless you.